Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make heavy cream. This is the whipped cream made from my homemade heavy cream. It's a simple recipe. Let's get started. Heat up some milk or buttermilk at low heat. Add some unsalted butter. Keep stirring until all the butter melts. Then turn off the heat. Transfer it to the food blender. 40 seconds to 1 minute. Then transfer it to the container. Keep it in the fridge overnight. The next day, I use this to make Chantilly Cream. The consistency is the same as market brand heavy cream. Add some sugar, vanilla extract. You will have this fresh whipped cream in around 2 minutes. I use this cream to decorate my banoffee pie. This is my calculation. This Chantilly cream cost me less than $2. I will show you how to make this banoffee pie in my next video. Thanks for watching.